Get peace of mind in case your iPhone is ever stolen. Use stolen device protection and locked apps to protect your accounts and personal information, adding an extra layer of security. Here's how. Before you start, make sure your iPhone is using iOS 18 or later to use stolen device protection and locked apps. You'll also need to enable Face ID or Touch ID and have two-factor authentication, location services, and Find My turned on. Let's start by turning on stolen device protection on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode. Then scroll down and tap Stolen Device Protection. Now, tap to turn it on. With Stolen Device Protection enabled, additional security measures are active when your iPhone is away from familiar locations. These include requiring Face ID or Touch ID instead of your passcode for certain actions, and a 1-hour delay before you can make changes to critical security settings. To always require these additional security measures, even in familiar locations, you can tap Always. Now your accounts and personal information have an extra layer of protection in case your iPhone is ever stolen. For added security, you can lock and unlock apps on your home screen. Just touch and hold the app you'd like to lock. Then, on the menu that appears, tap Require Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. A locked app requires Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to open it or show its content in another app. The app content won't appear in other places, including notification previews or search in Spotlight. If you lock the Mail app, while stolen device protection is enabled and your iPhone is away from familiar locations, you'll need to use Face ID or Touch ID to open it and access verification codes. Now, let's tap Require Face ID and then Authenticate to lock the app. You can unlock an app, so you no longer need to use authentication to open it. Just touch and hold it. Then tap Don't require Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode, and then Authenticate to unlock the app. Now your app no longer requires authentication to open, and its content is added back into search in Spotlight. More privacy, more security, more peace of mind. App locking is not available for all apps.